Hey, good evening, everyone. This is a brand new board from the company, which is a three range, and this has about a 5.5 thou or 5.9 thou precisely gap. So what I'm doing is I just bought an oversized rings, and I'm going to shape them to a precise size and have it fixed and installed on the engine. This year, the second time that I'm opening it. It's because I was not convinced, and I was not liking the fact that this has much of the how do I say gap in it, and this might also spoil the compression later. So just to avoid the future consequences, because this is going to be out of city. So before wasting time, let me just start working on it. So I'm using a file. This is just a brand new one. I'm going to shave it. So I will not be able to show you the entire process because it's the middle of the night and I don't want to be talking alone. So I'll just do this and get back to you. So this is done, and you see the new ring set is having minimum gap now since it's been shaved. All the three rings have been shaved. You can see the markings of shaving here. So there's the last one. Now this is how the color code is supposed to be matched. You can see. And once this color code is matched, the gap and the degree of the rings is set. So what I usually do is bring it inside and see how it works. So this is a very simple way of doing it. What I do is I just keep my hand on the top side of the board and block it with my palm. And this is how I check the compression. If you get the thick sound of the air, which gives you a vacuum effect, that means it is all fixed. So I hope this will help you in the future.